Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning we're heading into Kingston. It's actually 5:18 now. Hey guys, so it is now 8:03 and we just arrived in Kingston. So right now I'm waiting on the tenant. I think we should meet up with the tenant for 9 o'clock. So we're gonna call the tenant and tell her that we are here at the apartment so she can hand over the key, and then we do a little bit of inspections and stuff like that, run through with her of what have taken place while she's there so far. So after that, then we're gonna do a little cleaning up, and after she leave, we're gonna do a little cleaning up and stuff and get lunch and stuff. Right now I'm starving, my belly hurting me. It's my drink tea early, but it wasn't that hot. But yeah, I'm basically gonna eat some breakfast and then check in with you guys. So guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and you see all me are gonna content. So yeah, so right now I'm actually in the little changing area at the pool because I have a key, but I don't want to let myself in the apartment, so I just use the pool room so now I'm about to head back to the car, eat something and call the tenant while waiting on her for 9 o'clock. So we have at least 9 o'clock, so yeah, stay tuned. My breakfast. So this is my breakfast, guys. So I made it myself this morning. So just egg and sausage and bread. So yeah, I'm about to dig in because I'm starving.
Is it screened? Are the windows screened? So I push the window over.
Because I'm on the last floor.
So the section is screened. Especially the on the bottom floor, is that running?
One eternity later.
So guys, I'm finally inside. So I'm basically going through and doing the inspection because I was the one who was here. My mom was in Jamaica at the time. It was 2 years ago. She had the apartment. She bought the apartment. So I was doing the running up and down and getting all appliances for it and getting the bathroom ready and fixtures and light fixtures and AC and stuff like that. So I am basically the one here now who have to do the running up and down because my mom don't really know what's put in the apartment as for so if anything should damage I should know because I was here. So let me just do the run through and let you guys, and then I'll come back to you guys. Alright. Hey guys, so we just finished up with the tenant and she left. So the plan that we had today was to get the key, go through with her thoroughly, and then do a bit of cleaning. Unfortunately, she's the first tenant to move in this new development here. I mean, in our apartment. She's the first person, and she spent 2 years. The end of September was 2 years. And yeah, it's a lot of work. Fresh coat of paint, everything looks spick and span. No, like so much to be done, as in like go through, clean up, paint up, mop up, and she said she mopped in here about 3 times. So I mean, such is life. But we just called a cleaning company and planning to like make them come over, but unfortunately the person that we got not gonna be available. They booked out for today, so she's like Thursday, so we asked her to like if you can't make it soon as possible, so they're like tomorrow, and we're like okay fine, to come in and clean. And then we call a painter, and the painter said he will come in and inspect and see where to charge and stuff like that. So we say fine again, and you know, so nothing not gonna happen until tomorrow. But unfortunately I'm going on the road same way to get something to eat. We just been here you know, idling and stuff like that. We're not really idling, just get calling people and get stuff done, like the cleaning company to come in and clean up and paint up, and you know, cause trust me, there's a lot of work. The walls need to be painted over, the tile need to be scrubbed down, and there's a lot. And we think we could handle it, but we couldn't, because we even bring cleaning tools, our personal cleaning tools, and unfortunately it's a lot of work. So we're just gonna like head out a bit. We wanted to go to Active and see what stuff they have, because my mom's saying that for this she can't reach it, so she wants something to like, you know, so that it's more flexible for her, for short people like her. So we're like, okay, we're gonna go to Active, see what they have. I need to look for stuff like furniture, so I need a bed, so I'm gonna look for that, and she's gonna look around, because I think they said they're gonna have sale. I saw that on Tananya. If you guys know, Tananya is like an ambassador for them and stuff like that, and like the OG girl of furnitures and stuff. So we're gonna go to Active One because they have sale. And I also see they send us like SMS on my phone saying they're having sale October. I don't remember, but I have to look back on the text. But we're gonna head out, and we'll probably spend the night in Kingston. So yeah, should I give you guys a little tour? I think I should give you a little tour, but I'm not gonna show you guys the outside viewing, because where we at, you can easily figure it out, and I don't want to like, you know, disclose too much details on where we are. So yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys a tour. So anyway, I think I'm just gonna do a run through. So yeah.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't go right at my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. Get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. If you so in love, you ain't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
We are tired, guys, so we just left the apartment. So we're gonna head. We need to get to go to Active, but hopefully tomorrow. We're not in the mood. Probably get something to eat and stuff. So I'm gonna close off this vlog.
Yeah. They give us ketchup.
Good morning, guys. So it is the next day. It is the 5th of October. So we're on the road. So we're basically at a food restaurant. My mom's getting a food, and we actually got a painter today. This morning he come by and he's with us, so we had to get paintbrush and some other supplies like stuff, paintbrush in here, I don't know, you can see it, tape, and I think this is like a, what do you call it, sander, to sand down some part in the apartment. So yeah, we're getting things done finally. We slept over last night, so we make a little bed on the floor and crash it for the night. So yeah, you understand, we're no shame in the game. We have to do what we have to do, because as I say, we're gonna head back down in St. Elizabeth soon, later down, hopefully. So the cleaner will be here. We'll be over the apartment for 12 o'clock for midday. So it is now 11:04. So we're waiting on them to call us. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get something to eat, some breakfast. I haven't eaten anything from morning, so I'm gonna head over, eat something, and just watch the painter work. So yeah, so stay tuned for that, guys.